Do you also go through problems such as constipation, acid reflux, and bloating almost on a daily basis? Our hectic lifestyles have played a major role in this. Your gut health is also called your second brain, and to keep it healthy, it is very important to resolve these digestive issues. Hi guys, today in Yoga for the Soul, let's talk about 3 yoga poses that you can try at home to fix your gut health. The first pose is a supine twist. Lie on your back and bring one knee up towards your chest. Then cross that knee in front of you, placing it on the opposite thigh, and drop it onto that opposite side of your body. You can use the opposite side hand to press your knee or thigh gently to deepen the stretch while keeping the other arm extended out to the side. Now, repeat this asana 5 times to begin with. Relax for 15 seconds after each repetition. Make sure to avoid this pose if you have a recent or ongoing injury. Also avoid this if you are on your menstrual cycle. The next asana is Apanasana or knees to the chest. Let's practice Apanasana. Lie on your back in a supine position with your legs straight. Slowly bend your knees and bring them towards your chest, using your arms to pull them closer. Hold this position for 4 to 5 deep breaths. Repeat this asana 3 to 5 times and relax for 15 seconds after each repetition. Apanasana is a gentle movement that can be relaxing and relieve lower back strain. Avoid this pose during pregnancy. People recovering from an abdominal surgery must not perform this asana. The last pose is supine belly twist or Jatara Parivartanasana. Let's practice this asana. Lie on your back in Apanasana. Bring your arms out shoulder level. Drop your knees to the right side as you look to the left. Hold this position for 4 to 5 deep breaths. And then change sides. Repeat this asana 5 times and relax for 15 seconds after each repetition. This twist stretches the back muscles, realigns and lengthens the spine, and supports digestion by massaging the digestive organs. Make sure you consult a medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what is right for you. Please avoid twists when you are on your cycle and are suffering from any active stomach discomfort. Do make sure to follow a healthy diet along with yoga practice. Also, do let us know if you have ever tried yoga to resolve your digestive issues. Do share your thoughts on this with us and keep watching this space for more such content.